Okay guys, today I'm going to explain to you what is compounding. Okay, I know many of you might have already heard of this term, and because today one of the subscribers asked me what is compounding, and I'm going to explain it in a very simpler way so that for those who don't quite understand can get a grasp of what is compounding, and how you can use this rule of 72 to help you to gauge by when you can double your wealth. Okay, so first of all, assuming you have a capital of $100 and the return is 8%. Okay, so I want you to take out a calculator, okay, and you calculate how much will you get if you have $100 and the return of 8%. Okay, so you can simply use 100 times 1.08. Okay, so you will get $108. So assuming you don't spend this $108 and you compound it again, okay, so your capital will then become $108 and compound at another 8%. Okay, so same thing, you use 108 times 1.08. So you will get this figure. Okay, all of the figures will be rounded to 2 decimal places. Okay, so you will get 116.64. Same thing the third time, if you are doing it again, you use 116.64 times 1.08, it will give you 125.97. And you don't spend it again, 125.97 times 1.08, it will give you 136.05. And same thing, 136.05, take your calculator times 1.08, you will get 146.93. And for the sixth time, 146.93 times 1.08, you'll get 158.68. And same thing, 158.68 times 1.08, you'll get 171.37. And for the eighth time, 171.37 times 8%, 1.08, you get 185.08. And for the last time, 185.08 times 1.08, okay, you get 199.89, okay, which rounded up to $200. So as you can see, from $100 to become $200, which is double your initial capital at a rate of 8%, okay, you need to compound it at 9 times. Okay, so actually the rules of 72 basically is a guideline to tell you how long it takes to double your wealth. So 72 divided by 8%. Okay, so assuming you are able to compound at 8% every year, so it will take 9 years to double your wealth. Okay, so I give you one very good example, okay, which is for example, a plate of chicken rice. A plate of chicken rice currently is about $3. Okay, so assuming our inflation rate is 8%. Okay, so in 9 years time, a plate of chicken rice will cost $6. Okay, so I hope you like this video and learn about what is compounding. And if you have benefited from this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share it with your friend or your loved ones to let them know about this information. And thanks for watching and listening to Yori White from YoriWhite.com.